Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, join me as I style my cart. So the Dollar Tree was carrying some amazing items and I did really good, guys. So we're going to be using a lot of those items to decorate this, but I'm also going to put some of my books on the bottom of this shelf here. It fits perfectly in this corner and I can't wait for you to see how this turns out. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling My Way, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and I also have some co-hosts, so let me go ahead and mention those. We have Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Z9 Designs, Decorating with Jazzy Green. Now I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. So it looks like I'm done. We are ready to head on over to the review. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.